Ethereum fell in May to that $800 levels, and it's right now trading. It was even trading at $2,000 a few weeks ago, and now still at $1,500. Who do you think bought at these $800 levels? And who do you think, from who are you buying right now these tokens? On $1,500 Ethereum merge. And yes, I already can hear the question asking, how can an upgrade be bad for the price of a token? Because we have a ruling in the crypto industry, and not only in the crypto industry, also in the stock market and the forex industry, that we call buy the rumors and sell the news. A lot of people heard from that quote, but don't really understand what that means and how that actually really affects the token price. The first thing is the reason why people are evaluating something or buying a token is because they have expectations towards future performance. That performance could be a bigger adoption because they have a bigger partnership going on, or a new upcoming partnership, an upgrade in the token, or they have just future expectations that they are adding something to what they are already doing, and with a new stream of income for that token, maybe more people will likely get involved. And so every news, everything where you can start looking for, we call that you are speculating, because you are expecting with that adoption, with that news, with that new upgrade, that will have a positive impact on the price of the token. And so market makers know that investors are looking that way to that events. And in other words, once you hear, oh my God, Ethereum will have a merge happening that will make Ethereum way bigger than it is today, you will start thinking, oh my God, how could I benefit on that? Maybe I'm buying some Ethereum tokens today, and then if that merge happens, my Ethereums will be worth much more than the price of now. And so because you and everyone in the crypto space and the majority of the investors are thinking that way, market makers are taking advantage from that by selling these tokens to us and make sure that the price is actually going up before that event. It could be a few months before that, they are raising the price. People are looking up to that event. Oh my God, something big is going to happen. I'm looking up to that. Oh, that excitement. Oh, 15th of September will be so amazing. We will be so rich. We will be so wealthy. And that is where they start selling these tokens on you just before the event happens. And once that big, huge event happens, the market makers, they don't have any tokens anymore. It's all in the investors' their hands now. They sold already everything. And so the question is now, with nothing anymore to look forward to it, to who will you sell it for a higher price? If all the investors are already in, the only ones that are willing to buy are the market makers again. But they don't want to pay anymore that amount of money or higher prices. They want to pay way less prices. You buy low and sell high. So they will start offering very low prices, and if there is no one else that wants to pay more than you are having paid for, then yeah, people will start selling on the price they are getting, and that will affect that roller coaster and make that we getting that whole spin where everything gets falling in price and falling and falling and falling, and every investor try to sell it as fast as possible to remain the price at least that they are seeing right now on the screen, to be able to claim it. But fast they're starting to see, oh my God, many people are starting to sell. Buyers are offering lesser and less each time money, and so that dump results in a lower price range. And that is by the rumors sell the news event. So of course Ethereum fell in May to that $800 levels, and it's right now trading. It was even trading at $2,000 a few weeks ago, and now still at $1,500. Who do you think bought at these $800 levels? And who do you think, from who are you buying right now these tokens on $1,500? From the market makers. That's the buy the rumor, sell the news event. And the question also next to that is, why did Ethereum choose to do the merge in the month of September when all data shows how bad the month of September choice is? Just based on how the market operates, the 2 points that we already saw, market makers expecting September correction, expecting people will cash out some funds, making sure the price still stays low. Next to that, the Bitcoin cycles, the 4 years, the long-term Bitcoin cycles shows that the expected lowest point would be hitting around these periods in the month of September. Why did Ethereum still choose the month of September? Maybe to give them enough of time to sell their tokens, because never forget, Ethereum today is worth $188 billion. Just to give you an idea about how much money that actually is. In 100, so we all know how much 1 million is. Yes? In order to have a billion, you need to have 1,000 times 1 million. In order to have 10 billions, you need to have 10,000 times 1 million. And so Ethereum is worth 180,000 times 1 million. So if a villa costs you 1 million, you need to sell 188,000 villas, like more than the population of Monaco, in order to get the evaluation of that $188 billion. And 2.5 years ago, Ethereum value was only between $9 and $18 billion. So that means we have literally over $160 billion of more worth. So Ethereum is more worth than $160 billion more worth than 2.5 years ago. So how long would it not take for them to be able to cash out this money slowly by slowly? It takes you a while. If you are having billions in the crypto space, you cannot sell that in one day. It will take you ages to sell that, because there should be enough of liquidity. And we know there is around 600 million only liquidity in Bitcoin for the minute of time on a daily basis. So how much liquidity is sitting in Ethereum? And so how long will it not take to sell it? And of course, is that the reason why we getting that now in September, just before the biggest expected correction in the entire 4 years Bitcoin cycle, that they are just having enough of time to get rid of their Ethereums? We don't know, we will all figure it out. But of course, if that happens and you are sitting on Ethereum or you are holding any of the crypto tokens, then you are having a very huge issue, because the value could getting so low that you don't want anymore to look to your crypto portfolio at all. Just because of the depression from what it was today and how much it was before today to how much it become after that 15th of September evaluation. But we also, as promised, we have a solution for that issue. So how to solve that problem? Let's get into that right now.